Hi, my name is Ryan from JK Adventure. Today we are going to debolt a bead lock. This is what we have to work with. These are bead locks. We broke a couple of bolts on here, so we need to take it off the tire. So we're going to use 2 high lift jacks and the Jeep. So we're going to start by putting 1 high lift jack here, and we got to break the outside. These are bead locks, but this is the other side, which is naturally on the tire. So we need to break the back bead. So we're just going to start jacking it up. Alright, once you have this, I'm using this engine hoist, but you know, if you don't have that, you can use a winch in the field. It just helps to put some upward pressure on your tire when you're doing this. Once you have this nice and even, don't forget to put this inside your hook before you start this. Once you have this nice and even though, so it's all in there, you're going to want to line this up with your air valve. Don't forget to do that, because if you have a notch out here, it's real important. Otherwise, if you do this, you're going to have a hard time putting air in your tires. I've made that mistake, don't do it. And then you're simply just going to put these in, find their holes, and when you start, you just want to hand tighten all of them. Just do that all the way around for starters. You're not going to put any kind of, you're not going to drill them home at all. You're just going to get every one of them started. And some people will go here, here, or every 5th one, but when you're just hand tightening them, it doesn't really matter because there's no pressure on them. So we're just going to start every one of them like that. You're just going to get them all about hand tightened like that. Then if you want to use a torque wrench, just make sure you're real low on the torque side. And just do that. Not much at all, just give it a little. And I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're going one after.